Good morning, everybody. Hey, I have a little tip if you are somebody who constantly has too many tabs open and you want a way to get to your documents quicker and also not run 3 windows with 10 tabs each, this tutorial will be for you. So of course, I'm sure you know that there's a bookmarks bar right up here under your URL space. But I don't know if you know that you can make these into folders instead of just links. So, a few years ago, I would have maybe like 10 links up here that I would constantly go to. But now I'm, kind of using a lot of different Google Docs every time, like each week. And I want to have easy access because if your drive is anything like mine, it's sometimes super hard to find the doc you need quickly. So what you can do is you can make links, but you can also make folders. So you can see that these up here have these little drop downs. So I've made a folder for all of our homeroom docs. All the agendas that I jump on are here, the pacing calendars in the teams that I teach are here. I have units of study in various different grade levels, a district folder, a specific heritage folder, team leader. A really great folder to have is one called current. This is one that I use for documents that I'm working on, but maybe they don't fit. I don't need them all year, but I'm working on them maybe for 2-3 weeks and then they go away. So I create a folder called current and then I put all my documents there. And then maybe every 2 months I go through and just trash things that I'm not using. So if this might be a helpful tool for you, I'm going to show you how to set this up. So on Safari, and if you hold for a minute, I'm going to show you on Chrome too. On Safari, you're going to go to maybe show bookmarks. No, you're going to go to edit bookmarks. Let's try that one. Right. Okay, so here you are. And you can see my favorites bar is up here. And I've added all of these different folders. And then what I want to do is add a new folder. So here's a button. So I'm going to call it new folder. It's going to pop up down here at the bottom. I'm going to name it YouTube videos. And then if you drag this around, you can see that it will move. If I want it right here at the top, I just move it up and then it is right there. And now I'm going to switch to another Safari window. Here it is. And I already have this link I want to save. And you can see here's my YouTube videos. So I'm going to get the URL and I'm going to drop the URL right here. And then it's going to ask me to name it. If you want, it'll give you a possible name. You can rename it. Word study routines, day 1. And then there it is. And then you can keep adding content to this. So these folders are a great place to put documents that you use on a weekly basis, and it will really save you some serious time in your Google Drive. Now on Chrome, the same thing, you can have links and then you can have folders as well. So here you're going to go to Bookmarks Manager. And then Chrome is a little bit different. It has these 3 dots. You're going to add a new folder. I'll name this one the same, YouTube videos. Okay, and then it's going to pop it up down here. I might want to move it up higher, maybe right there. And then here's my same thing. I'm going to grab the URL. And as you can see, I don't see it yet. So if that happens, then what you'll do.
This video will give you a little tutorial on day 1.
Finished is better than perfect, right? So I'm not going to re-record this, even though part of me really wants to. If you don't see your folder, you're going to drag this URL. Let me try again. Okay, let's do a refresh. Pause. Thanks for patience. Grab this URL, drag it, and I'm pretty sure
this video will give you a little tutorial on day 1 for study routines.
You
can touch the hand. Say hand.
So anyways, hopefully this is a helpful tip for you. And if you do this, let me know. I'd love to hear how your organization system works, and hope everyone has a great day.